Good morning, traders. This is your daily trade setup for the Aussie South African Top 40. So yesterday was pretty much very much an up and down day. We've ended up with a spinning top. It's not quite as what we see here because yet again my broker has incorrect data, which is GT24. Anyway, I'll show you now in the lower time frames what we had. So essentially the daily candle is a slightly bigger body. Still a spinning top, but not quite the indecision here, more of a green spinning top. I think the key thing to take note of is that this top of the megaphone is still very much in play. Okay, this is the second day that we've tried to get through there and we've failed. So let's just move through the lower time frames. And yesterday was a proper nothing day. There was nothing really that played out. It was very topsy-turvy and all over the place. USA yesterday was kind of flat. Nothing really happened yesterday. I think the Dow closed at 0.03. It actually was flatter than what it was on the public holiday the day before. The Rand dollar is slightly stronger. Well, the Rand's slightly stronger at 14.03. And 10 cents at the moment is flat as well. We've got FOMC minutes today, or tonight, should I say, for us. And so I can anticipate that we're probably going to have another day of nothing. So if I put two levels in here, we'll probably find we're going to continue consolidating between these two areas here. Let's just get down to lower time frames. As you can see on the daily, we had a gap down, a move down, found some support off a level, and then bounced up to the top of the megaphone and then immediately sold off and come and test a low again. So that's pretty much, I think we can actually extend it to there. Those are the two areas that we are playing around with at the moment. So to the top it's 48,225 and to the bottom it is 48,730. Okay, now the other thing which always makes me nervous is the closing range strategy did not play out. Okay, so we first got a gap to the downside, which didn't materialize. Then we got a gap to the upside, and then we got another break to the downside, and then we came back up to the top. So you can see here, here's GT24's close when the real market closes up here. So it's a 120 point difference. Anyway, so that being said, here is your range. Okay, that is the closing range strategy, which ties up almost with the range of the day. So that is pretty much what I'm looking at the moment to see whether we can break down. If we do start moving to the downside and get a sort of a half-hour candle down, there is a possibility we're going to come and test. If we do break below this, then we've got quite a few tails here to come and pick up as well as a daily gap. Okay, kind of 50-50 at the moment. I think for me, I'm going to sit right on my hands with this one until we get a break of this megaphone, or alternatively, we get a retest of this 200-day moving average. Okay, so for me at this stage, this is not looking very pretty for any direction, to be honest. So there's nothing that's exciting me for a long or a short. Okay, so I want to see a decent pullback, and then I'll trade with the current mini trend that's been going on this month, which is to the upside. But I definitely want to see some sort of a pullback first. I'm not going to hop in at the level that we're in now. And I'm kind of reluctant to go short as well because of the trend that we're in at the moment. Okay. The 4-hour trend of the last 2 days is up, so I'd rather go with the trend than against the trend. Okay, so that's kind of my view today. I really don't want to get burnt again today. So I'll wait for some confirmation of something happening. If you look at the 12 minutes, you can see you had a nice move to the downside. Then you had I suppose it was a fairly solid move. That was a 130 point stop loss for a 390 point gain before moving to the downside again. So on the low time frames, there's no real direction. We could be forming a head and shoulders here as well. If this high stays like this, shoulder, head, shoulder, then obviously we need to break through the bottom here. Okay, and I just tied it up on the 12 minute. There's my 12-minute pin bar, or should I rather say my fractal. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Sitting tight, probably wait for something to materialize. I don't think it's going to happen today. Not with FOMC minutes happening, and the trade war talks also going on at the moment. So I'll wait for something on the market to drive this thing either higher or lower. Until then, I'm going to sit on my hands. Okay. Anyway, that's my view for Aussie today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.